Hey guys, so today I thought of making a garlic balsamic chicken with CIC Besto pre-cut skinless whole chicken. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all we are going to add the paprika into a small bowl and add the garlic paste and a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well.
First of all, add the garlic paste, add in the rosemary, add the balsamic vinegar, then mix it well. Add some olive oil.
Okay, so into a pan we are going to add the potatoes and the carrots and half of the spice mixture we made. And then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of the balsamic sauce that we made. Okay, so we are going to give it a good mix and then add the chicken to it. The remaining spice mixture onto the chicken and a little bit of balsamic vinegar as well. Now we are going to cook until the chicken is tender on low heat. Okay, so our vegetables are cooked well and the chicken is also tender. Now we are going to put this to the oven for a few hours and bake it until the chicken is crispy and the vegetables are also roasted. Okay, so our garlic balsamic chicken is out of the oven. Now we are going to add the remaining balsamic sauce on top of it. Okay, so here's our garlic balsamic chicken. Enjoy!